Types of set. First one is the singleton set. A set consisting of single element is called as the singleton set. It means a set consisting only single element, only one element and present in that set we call as the singleton set. For example, A is a set of even prime number. Now we all know even prime number, 2 is the only even prime number. Na? So we return A is a set of 2. Now here look, only one element is present. Na? Therefore that set is singleton set. Next is empty set or null set. If there is not a single element in the set which satisfies the given condition, then it is called as the null set or an empty set. If there is not single element, it means there is not any element present in that set. So that set we call as the empty set or null set. Null set is represented by this empty set, and its symbol is 5. That symbol we call as the 5. So for example, B is a set of natural number between 2 and 3. So we all know between 2 and 3 any natural number, no, na? Not any natural number between 2 and 3. So we return B is a set, B is a empty set, or B is equal to 5. Third one is the finite set. If set is a null set or number of elements are limited and countable, then it is called as the finite set. It means number of elements in that set are limited or countable. So that set we call as the finite set. For example, P is a set of number from 1 to 22 divisible by 4. So here limited, na? Between 1 to 22 number which is divisible by 4, that want to write. So 4, 8, 12, 16 and 22. These are the numbers between 1 to 22 which is divisible by 4. Understand? So this is one example of finite set. Finite set means what? In that set the elements are limited or countable. Next is infinite set. If number of elements in a set is unlimited and uncountable, then the set is called as the infinite set. It means the number of elements in that set are uncountable and unlimited. For example, set of natural number. Now look, set of natural number start from 1. This is the set of natural number. Now here number of elements of set of natural number is what? Uncountable. Na? We cannot say the last number of natural number. So this is the infinite set. Understand? So set of natural number, whole numbers, integers, rational number, real number, all these are the infinite set. Next is equal set. Equal set means what? Two sets A and B are said to be equal if every element of set A is in a set B and every element of set B is in a set A. When we say two sets are equal, when every element of set A is in set B and every element of set B is in set A. Okay, set A and B are equal sets. So like this we write A is equal to B. For example, A is a set of letter of the word listen. So in listing method, how we write this? This L-I-S-T-E-N, and B is a set of letter of the word silent. So B is equal to S-I-L-E-N-T. Now look here. Here is also L, here is also L. Here is I also. In that set also I. In that set also yes. In that set also yes. Here is T. Here is also T. Here is E. Here is also E. And here is N. Here is also N. So all the elements are in set B and set A are same. No? The element of set A and B are not in the same order. No, it is not in the same order, but all elements are identical. Therefore we write A is equal to B. Set A is equal to set B. Therefore set A and B are the equal set. Practice set 1.2, question number 1. Decide which of the following are equal set and which are not. Justify your answer. Here three sets are given, and the first one is the A is a set of 3x minus 1 is equal to 2, and second one is the B is a set of natural number but x is neither prime nor composite, and C is a set of x is a element of natural number which is less than 2. Understand? So first set is what? X. A is a set of 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. Now here solve this. 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. So 3x is equal to 2 plus 1. Here minus 1 goes on plus 1. And 3x is equal to 2 plus 1 is 3. X is equal to 3 upon 3. X is equal to 1. 3 ones are 3. Next is B is a set of natural number but X is neither prime nor composite. Now we all know neither prime nor composite number is what? 1 is the neither prime nor composite number. Na? So we written B is a set of 1. Next is C is a set of X is the element of natural number and X is less than 2. Now element of natural number, it means natural number start from 1 na? And less than 2 natural number is 1. So we written C is a set of 1. Understand? So from this, now look here, A is a set of 1, B is a set of 1 and C is a set of 1. So from this we write na, A is equal to B is equal to C. Therefore set A, set B and set C are equal set. Understand? Next question is decide whether set A and B are equal set. Give reason for your answer. Now look, A is a even prime number. Here two sets are given and that sets are equal or not, that want to show. So A is a even prime number. Even prime number. So set of even prime number is, we all know, 2 is only even prime number. Okay, and B is a set of 7x minus 1 is equal to 13. Now 7x minus 1 is equal to 13. That's all. 7x is equal to, that minus 1 goes on plus 1. 13 plus 1 and 7x is equal to 14. X is equal to 14 upon 7. X is equal to 2. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. Understand? Now look, B is a set of 2. Now A is a set of 2 and B is a set of 2. Then we say that A is equal to B. Therefore, set A and set B are equal set. Okay. Now next is which of the following are empty sets and why? Now, empty sets means what? This empty set indicated by this, na? Like this. So which of the following are empty sets? Look, first example is A is a set of natural number smaller than 0. Now look, natural number smaller than 0, natural number start from 1. So it is not any natural number smaller than 0. Na? So right, the natural number start from 1. Natural number smaller than 1 or the 0 is not possible. Na? Natural number smaller than 0 is not possible. Therefore, A is an empty set. Set A is empty set. Next question is B is a set of x square is equal to 0. X square is equal to 0. Now solve this. X square is equal to 0. X square is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to in root 0. In root 0 is also 0. So B is a empty set. Set B is an empty set. Now third one is what? C is a set of 5x minus 2 is equal to 0 and x is an element of natural number. So 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. Solve this. 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore 5x is equal to, this plus 2 goes on, minus 2 goes on, plus 2. So 5x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 2 upon 5. So 2 upon 5 is a natural number. No, na? Natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, like this are the natural number. And 2 upon 5 is a rational number. Okay. So what condition here given? X is a element of natural number, so it is not element of natural number, na? So right, X is not element of natural number, therefore C is empty set. Then C is also empty, C is called as the empty set. Okay. Now question number 4. Write with reasons which of the following sets are finite or infinite. Now look here, finite and infinite set. So first one is the A is a set of X is less than 10. X is a natural number. X is less than 10. X is natural number. Now natural number start from 1 and less than 10 natural number as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the natural number. So look, here is limited element, na? Less than 10, limited element. So therefore this set A is the finite set. Understand? When the numbers or the elements are limited, that we call the finite set. Now second question is, B is a set of Y is less than minus 1. Y is less than minus 1 and Y is an integer. Less than minus 1 means it is start from minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, all these are. But it is uncountable. Na? Look, so this set B is infinite set. Okay. Now next, C is a set of student of class 9 from your school. Student of, we can count it, class 9 students. So this is also so this is finite set. Okay. Now fourth one is the set of people from your village. That set of people also we count. So given set is finite set. Now fifth one is the set of whole numbers. Whole numbers start from 0 to, so this is the infinite set. Okay. Fourth one is the set of apparatus in laboratory. That also we count. So this is also finite set. And set of rational number. Rational number start all the numbers in the form of P upon Q. That number we call the rational number. So set of Q is also infinite set. Okay.